You made it. You officially reached the end of phase 3, the part of the home selling journey where everything becomes real. From listing your home, to accepting an offer, to navigating problems, to handing over the keys. Phase 3 is where the deal actually happens. And this video, the final video of this phase, is going to pull everything together so you walk away with absolute clarity and confidence about the entire process. Let's recap exactly what you mastered, step by step. Video 11, what happens when your home hits the market? This is where your home officially steps into the marketplace. You saw how presentation, pricing, and exposure comes together to create that crucial first wave of buyer attention, and how those early days set the tone for everything that follows. Video 12, how to handle offers and choose the best one. This is where strategy meets opportunity. You learned how to evaluate offers like a pro, looking beyond price to the terms, timing, financing strength, and protections that actually determine whether the deal will close. This video gave you the confidence to choose the offer that truly benefits you. Video 13, what happens after you accept an offer? Once you go under contract, the real work begins behind the scenes. Inspections, appraisal, loan approval, deadlines, disclosures. This is where most sellers get overwhelmed. This video showed you that most sellers don't realize accepting the offer isn't the finish line. It's the beginning of the contract phase. Video 14, what if your buyer backs out? A big one, and some things most sellers never expect. You learned that a failed sale isn't a disaster, it's a reset. This video taught you how to recover quickly, relaunch with confidence, and protect yourself from the same issue happening again. It showed you that you don't panic, you pivot. Video 15, what if your home just isn't selling? You discovered the real reasons listings sit: price, presentation, exposure. You learned exactly how to diagnose the problem and make the right adjustments. This video reframed everything. A slow sale isn't failure, it's feedback. Video 16, closing day, keys, costs, your final steps. This was the finish line, the moment the deal becomes official. You learned what gets deducted from your proceeds, how signing works, when you get your money, how possession and walkthroughs are handled, and one of the most important lessons of all, the day of closing legally belongs to the buyer, which is why timing, access, utilities, and key release must be handled with precision. Before we close out phase 3, there are a few powerful lessons sellers carry with them. Lessons that will shape every future move you make. Lesson 1, first impressions matter more than sellers think. Your pricing, your photos, your launch strategy, they set the tone for your entire sale. A strong 14 days can change everything. Lesson 2, feedback is data, not criticism. Every showing, every comment, every silence tells you something. Sellers who listen early win early. Lesson 3, the best offer isn't always the highest price. Financing strength, timelines, contingencies, and motivation matters just as much as the number on the contract. A clean offer often beats a high one. Lesson 4, a setback is not the end, it's information. Deals fall through, listings stall, inspections surprise you, but every problem reveals exactly what needs to happen next. Sellers who pivot instead of panic come out stronger. Lesson 5, closing day isn't the finish line, it's the transition. Possession, timing, funding, walkthroughs, and coordination matter, especially if you're buying your next home on the same day. Understanding these steps keep everything smooth. My goal with phase 3 was simple: to give you the clarity sellers wish they had before they needed it. Because when you understand the path, the process stops feeling overwhelming and starts feeling achievable. So whether you're preparing to list soon, or your home is already on the market, or you're right in the middle of negotiations, you now have a playbook. You now have the strategy. And you now have the confidence to move through the selling process like a pro. And when you're ready, I'd be honored to guide you through it personally. Now, we're almost done. There's one more video in the series, not about a single step, but about the entire journey. In the final episode, we're stepping back to look at the big picture. So don't stop here. You've come this far, so finish strong. I'll see you in the final video.